Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show how to enable virtualization in BIOS. You need to power off your computer and then press the specific hotkey to enter BIOS. The hotkey may vary depending on your computer brand, but it is usually Escape F2 or Del key. Now I am going to show you how to get to the UEFI from Windows 11 in Gigabyte motherboard. First of all, save your works and close any open apps, and then select Start button, then Settings, then System, and then Recovery. In the Advanced Startup options, you will see a button. Click on Restart Now button. Now select Troubleshoot option and then Advanced options. Then select UEFI firmware settings. Finally, click on Restart button. Now your PC will restart again and you will be in the UEFI utility. After this step, you might see UEFI referred to as the BIOS on your PC. In Gigabyte motherboard, go to the chipset menu and here you will see an option on the top of the list VT-D. Select this option using up or down arrow key and then press enter and then select the option enabled using up or down arrow key and then press enter again. Here you will see enabled and then go to the save and exit menu and then select save and exit setup option, then press enter, then press enter again to save the configuration. Now open Task Manager and select Performance tab and then select CPU and go to the bottom right and ensure whether virtualization enabled or disabled. Now turn on Virtual Machine Platform in Windows 11. Select Start button and then search for Windows features and select Turn Windows features on or off. From the list of the results in the Windows featured window that just opened, find Virtual Machine Platform. Select it and click on OK. It may take a while searching for required files. Windows completed the requested changes. You might need to restart your PC to finish installing the requested changes. Click on Restart Now button. Now I am going to show how to enable virtualization for other manufacturers' PC. To enable virtualization on Acer for Intel processor, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until your computer completely power off. Then Power your computer on and press F2 to enter BIOS setup, and then select Advanced tab. Enable VTX and VTD. You may need to press Ctrl+S keys on some models to see these settings. Press F10 to save and exit. For AMD processors, select Advanced tab and then enable AMD SVM and AMD IOMMU settings, and then press F10 to save and exit. To enable virtualization on Asus for Intel processors, at first press Del or F2 key to enter into BIOS, and then press F2 to enter into advanced mode as like image. And then click on Advanced tab, then select CPU configuration and then press enter. You can see Intel VMX virtualization technology. Now enable or disable the virtualization technology. The default setting is enabled. Now press F10 to save and exit. At first, power on your system and then press F2 key when the Dell logo appears to enter BIOS setup, and then go to the virtualization settings. The path can vary based on your system model. Select Advanced or Virtualization Support, and then select Virtualization and then set virtualization to enabled, and also set virtualization for direct IO to enabled. Then press F10 to save and exit, and then reboot the system. To enable virtualization on HP, turn on the computer and then immediately press F10 key to enter into BIOS. Under Security tab, use the up and down arrows to select System Security option. Then press enter. Now use the up and down arrows to select Virtualization Technology VTX, and then use the arrow key to select enabled or disabled option. Then press F10 to save and exit BIOS. Reboot the system. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.